different. I'm passionate about equality because on the streets I saw people not treating other people with respect because of their color or like any skin color. I want to try to stop racism because sometimes people are like unhappy because they're not getting treated well, so they don't really want to go to school and stuff because they don't really want to because they're scared of the bullies. In the past, black people had less rights than white people. For example, in the US, black people were not allowed to sit in front of the bus. And in 1955, Rosa Parks got arrested for not giving her seat to a white person. It led to black people standing up for themselves and changing the law to let black people sit in front. And in South Africa, the white people introduced apartheid. It means separate. And they had separate shops, buses, cinemas for black and white people. Nelson Mandela was arrested for making a fake passport and leaving the country. And he left the country to get weapons because he had enough of not getting enough things, and he was sentenced to life in prison for because they thought he was trying to take over the government. After 27 years, he was released. He became the first black president and ended apartheid. I'm going to try to stop racism by giving other people the same opportunities as other people. Not like in the past, because Nelson Mandela and Rosa Parks and Martin Luther King, they changed the world a lot by standing up for their right to be treated equally. Our responsibilities are to help stop racism by helping a child when a bully is being mean to somebody because of their skin color. Trying to include anybody in the game, if they are any kind of skin color, and not leaving somebody out of a group, a working thing. And it's not to say something racist you're not allowed to play because you're black, white, or you talk funny. People around the world are not being treated well because of their skin color. I believe we can make a change if all of us work together. If the whole world tried to make a difference, the world would be a better place. And in this unit, I learned that you cannot judge somebody on their color. Get to know them, and you can make a change if you do your little part.